Road signs are the fastest way to acing your driving test. Learn these 50 most tested road signs, and passing is guaranteed. Let's go. Name this road sign. A. No waiting. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. C. No stopping. Excellent. This sign warns drivers that stopping is strictly prohibited. What is this traffic sign? A. Stop sign. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Stop. Children crossing. Correct. This sign instructs drivers to come to a complete stop. Identify this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No U-turns. C. No left turn. Well spotted. This sign prohibits U-turns at this location. Name this traffic sign. A. Give way. B. Give way to oncoming traffic. C. Vehicles have priority ahead. Good observation. This sign instructs drivers to give way. What is this road sign? A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Children going to school. C. Zebra crossing. Excellent. This sign marks a zebra crossing for pedestrians.
Name this traffic sign.
A. No right turn. B. No left turn. C.
No left turn on red.
Well spotted. This sign prohibits making left turns in the area. Guess this road sign? A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. C. Roundabout circulation plaque. Correct. This sign indicates an upcoming roundabout. Identify this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. C. No waiting. Good observation. This sign strictly prohibits waiting in this area. Name this road sign. A. Pedestrians prohibited. B. Pedestrians ahead. C. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Excellent. This sign alerts drivers to pedestrian activity ahead. What is this road sign? A. Standard traffic light. B. Part-time traffic signals. C. Traffic signals ahead. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming traffic signals. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic queues likely ahead. B. No overtaking. C. No passing for trucks. Correct. This sign prohibits vehicles from overtaking on a designated road. Guess this road sign? A. Two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic on route crossing. C. Narrow two-way traffic. Excellent. This is a two-way traffic sign. Identify this road sign. A. No left turn. B. No right turn. C. No right on red. Good observation. This sign prohibits making right turns at an intersection. What is this road sign? A. Stop, children crossing ahead. B. Zebra crossing. C. Children going to school. Well spotted. This sign warns drivers of children going to or from school. Identify this traffic sign. A. Road narrows both sides. B. Road narrows on the right. C. End of dual carriageway. Correct. This sign warns drivers of a narrowing roadway. Guess this road sign. A. Ice or snow drifts. B. Series of bends ahead. C. Slippery road. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of a slippery road surface. Identify this traffic sign. A. Uneven road. B. Loose chippings. C. Dip sign. Good catch. This sign warns of uneven road surfaces. What is this road sign? A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. C. Slow-moving vehicles. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to a steep ascent. Identify this traffic sign. A. Clearance warning. B. Height restriction. C. Low arch bridge ahead. Correct. This sign indicates the allowed height limit for vehicles. Guess this road sign. A. Side road. B. T-junction. C. Traffic merges from the left. Excellent! This is a T-junction sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Opening bridge. B. Hump bridge. C. Narrow bridge. Good observation. This is an opening bridge sign. What is this road sign? A. Warning sign. B. Worded warning. C. Try brakes after ford. Correct. This is a general warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. C. End of a 20-mile-per-hour zone. Well spotted. This sign sets a maximum speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Guess this road sign? A. Low-flying helicopters. B. Air traffic sign. C. Low-flying aircraft. Excellent. This sign warns of low-flying aircraft. Identify this traffic sign. A. Soft verges. B. Vehicles may park partly on verge. C. Watercourse alongside road. Correct. This is a soft verges sign. What is this road sign? A. Traffic merges left. B. T-junction. C. Side road. Good observation. This sign indicates a side road joining the main road. Guess this traffic sign? A. No overtaking. B. Traffic queues likely ahead. C. No passing for trucks. Well spotted. This sign warns of likely traffic queues ahead. Which road sign is this? A. Side winds. B. Crosswinds. C. Dangerous crosswinds. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of strong side winds. Identify this traffic sign. A. Junction on a bend. B. Crossroads. C. Staggered junction. Correct. This is a staggered junction sign. What is this road sign? A. Loose chippings. B. Uneven road. C. Falling rocks. Good observation. This sign warns drivers of falling rocks. Guess this traffic sign? A. Loose chippings. B. Slippery road. C. Hump bridge. Excellent. This is a loose chipping sign. Guess this road sign? A. Crossroads. B. Staggered junction. C. Side road. Correct. This sign marks a crossroads. Identify this traffic sign. A. No vehicles except pushed cycles. B. No vehicles except solo motorcycles. C. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Well spotted. This sign prohibits solo motorcycles on this road. What is this road sign? A. Soft verges. B. Watercourse alongside road. C. Riverbank or quayside. Excellent. This is a riverbank or quayside. Identify this traffic sign. A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. C. Wild horses. Correct. This sign strictly prohibits accompanied horses on a designated road. Guess this road sign? A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Agricultural vehicles. C. Slow-moving military vehicles. Good catch. This is the agricultural vehicles sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Small wild animals. B. Deer crossing. C. Wild animals. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of wild animals crossing the road. What is this road sign? A. Hump bridge. B. Opening bridge. C. Tunnel. Well spotted. This is the hump bridge sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Construction ahead. B. Roadworks. C. End of roadworks. Correct. This sign alerts drivers to roadworks ahead. Guess this road sign. A. End of 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed 30 miles per hour. C. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Excellent. This sign sets a legal minimum speed of 30 miles per hour. Identify this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. C. Lorries prohibited. Good observation. This sign prohibits motor vehicles on a designated roadway. What is this road sign? A. Soft verges. B. Riverbank or quayside. C. Watercourse alongside road. Correct. This is a watercourse alongside the road warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of pedestrian zone. B. Pedestrians prohibited. C. No entry. Well spotted. This is the pedestrian prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Slow-moving military vehicles. C. Agricultural vehicles. Excellent. This sign alerts driver to slow-moving vehicles. What is this traffic sign? A. Two-way traffic. B. Narrow two-way traffic. C. Two-way traffic on route crossing. Good catch. This is a two-way traffic on a crossing route. Identify this road sign. A. Give way to traffic. B. Vehicles have priority ahead. C. Give way. Correct. This sign instructs drivers to give way to traffic. Guess this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic signals ahead. C. Traffic light with tram signal lamp. Excellent. This is a standard traffic light sign. Which road sign is this? A. Try brakes after ford. B. End of temporary restrictions. C. Worded warning. Good observation. This is the worded warning sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Road narrows both sides. B. End of dual carriageway. C. End of motorway regulations. Correct. This sign marks the end of a dual carriageway. Guess this road sign. A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Caravans. C. Risk of grounding ahead. Excellent. This sign prohibits towed caravans on this road. Well done reaching the end. If you want more driving test study guides, tips, and road sign videos, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Keep the momentum going with the videos on your screen. See you soon.